Alright, I'm going to try this for my friend Anthony. It's dark out here, I don't have a flash on this thing. So, there's my beer. Who needs a koozie, right? Snowblower. Getting ready to get started right now. Look at that, one shot. Whoa! The back patio. Maybe I'll go this way. Oh yeah, look at that job. Look at that job. Yes. Alright, that was a little snow blowing 2012. And now it's time to sip one of these. Very tasty. Nice, well deserved. Put it back in its koozie. See, look at that. With snow, you can make a koozie anywhere. That's awesome. So, get my glove. I don't have any gloves on because I don't want to drop this phone. Koozie again. Alright, glove. Coming on. Switch hands. Other Arctic glove. Can you see me? Can you see me now? Hello there, Facebook America. Hopefully I'm not making you dizzy. I'm getting dizzy doing this. Look at Zoe. Look at Zoe. Hey, Zoe. Let's turn the light on. There she is. Hey, look. Look at Zoers. She keeps a... Alright, I'll let you go, Facebook friends. It's been 2 minutes. You're probably dying. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you on the flip side.